Hi, welcome back to Speak Up with Pasal TV. I'm Brian, and I am here at National Economics University, waiting to meet up with a student who attends Pasal, and I think his class should be finishing up about now. There he is.
Hey, Brian, I'm here. Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah, I have
Nice.
just ended up my class. Yeah, and how long have you been waiting here?
Only a minute. No
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah.
All right. Why don't you introduce yourself to our audience?
Yes, hello everyone. My name is Tiến Cường, but you can call me Will. That's my English name. I'm now 20 years old and I'm a student of National Economics University, and my major is developing economy.
Okay. Will, it's great to have you on Speak Up at Pasal. Thanks for joining us today.
Yeah, I'm so happy and excited to be here today.
All right, Will, so I know that you really love traveling. You've been to many famous places in Vietnam, but you travel with foreigners. And when I first met you, you were still struggling with English.
Yeah, when I was in my high school, it was so lucky for me that I was one of 5 students who were chosen to attend English competitions for gifted students.
Okay.
But all I learned were just grammar, vocabulary, writing and reading, and I have no idea about how to pronounce or how to make conversation with a foreigner. And when I moved to Hanoi to start my university life, I realized that I don't know how to speak English fluently.
Okay.
Yeah, such a shame.
All right, so how did you get through it?
Yeah, I tried my best to improve my English, and one day I suddenly watched an intro videos about effortless English of AJ Hoke, and I was very curious, so I followed the directions of AJ Hoke, and it was so amazing because my pronunciation changed a lot just after only 2 months. Yeah, and that's why I decided to take an effortless English course at Pasal to improve more.
Okay. Because effortless English is taught officially at Pasal, is that right?
Yeah, that's right.
So what do you love most about being at Pasal?
Yeah, what I love most about Pasal is the way we learn English. No more traditional method. Yeah, students have to use body language and practice through funny games and activities.
Okay.
Yeah, and on top of that, we have more opportunities to talk and be creative. Yeah, and all of these things make the lesson become interesting and exciting. Yeah.
Okay. So tell me about the teachers. What are the teachers like at Pasal?
About the teachers, I can see the spirit of AJ Hoke in them, always burn out themselves in every lesson. Yeah, and they are also caring and confidential. I still remember the moment that my teacher, she cried because we didn't try our best to learn and we didn't finish the homework. Yeah, and her reaction that day gave me more motivation to learn English. Yeah, and that was the clear evidence of a good teacher.
Okay, do you have any final thoughts for us?
Yes, university life is very interesting. You have more time to not only to learn but also explore the world. And English plays an important part because it helps to connect people all around the world. Yeah, and if you are still confused about how to improve your English, don't hesitate to try effortless English at Pasal because I'm pretty sure that you will see how fast your English improves.
All right, you heard it here on Speak Up at Pasal TV. Thanks so much for letting me meet you at your beautiful campus here.
Thanks.
This is a beautiful university, and appreciate the time that you took to chat with us. Thank you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.